Ladies and gentlemen, this is the moment that we've all been waiting for. The moment that we announce the winners of Simplicity September 2018. So here's how this is going to work. First, I'm going to announce the 3 winners from each individual challenge. So Challenge 1, Challenge 2, and then Challenge 3, and their respective first, second, and third places for each. And then after that, I'll announce the winners of the random drawings from Twitter and Instagram. Really quick before we actually announce anything though, I do want to say for those of you who do end up winning, whose names are announced in this video, please stay tuned to the end of the video where I make a specific announcement tailored specifically towards you and how we're going to be redeeming your prizes and stuff like that. Anyway, I don't want to keep you guys waiting because I know the anticipation is building, so let's go ahead and hop into our winners for challenge number 1 right now. In third place, with a score of 8.33 out of 10 determined by our judges for the Primitive Modeling Challenge, is Garrison Keeton with his entry, Impossible Floating Garden. Let me tell you, when our judges looked at this, they went wild because they loved the fact that you incorporated an entire optical illusion into your model for the Primitive Modeling Challenge. It was a really unique idea and it was executed very well, so congratulations, Garrison. In second place, with a score of 8.8 out of 10, is Gael Thebault with his entry, Terrarium. This entry, well, actually, to be completely honest, we had to double check like 1,000 times to make sure that this wasn't anything else other than primitives, and it was all primitives. It definitely blew our mind. You did a fantastic job with lighting, with materials, and with the overall composition of the scene, so Gael, congratulations. And to wrap things up for Challenge 1, in first place with a score of 8.93 out of 10 is Jan Hosenfelder with his spider tank model. Jan, let me just say, your entry kind of blew our judges away. Not because it was something that was completely unexpected, but because of how clear and how well made it was. The style was very strong and it's very clean and it looks really nice, and you managed to keep so much detail in the actual final model, even though it was a very simplistic design, which is something that's extremely challenging to do. So congratulations, Jan, you are the winner of the first Simplicity September Challenge, and you, my friend, are the proud winner of a golden stag. Now, for those of you who aren't familiar, the winners, the first place winners of the challenge, all get one of these, considering they send me their address, but we'll get into that later. And it's basically just, it's a model of stag, right? And it's squishy, like a stress ball. So, congratulations, Jan. You are our first golden stag winner. All right, now we're going on to challenge number 2, the Lights, Camera, Stag Challenge. Now, I really like this challenge because I made Steg and it was really cool to see a bunch of remixes of him and people's individual creativity being added onto Steg. So I just want to say an extra special thank you to everybody who participated in this one. It was a little bit outside of the traditional realm of these challenges, so I understand why some of you didn't. But it made my day seeing all the recreations of Steg rolling in by the hour. But anyway, none of that sentimental crap. Let's get into the winners. In third place with a score of 8.33 out of 10 is Libor Batek. Apologies if I mispronounced that, but I'm pretty sure I got it right. I don't know. We'll find out. But anyway, Libor, your entry was, I don't know what it was about it, but it just made me want to eat Steg, right? Because Libor made Steg into a tangerine, and it's just something about it that seemed very edible, which seems very weird considering, you know, Steg is a dinosaur. But still, you pulled it off well, and the end result was awesome. So congratulations to you. And in second place for this challenge, this one is a bit of a peculiar case because the winner from this challenge was also a winner from the last challenge, because you can win as many times as you want, technically, per the rules. So, with a score of 8.5 out of 10, congratulations to Jan Hosenfelder once again. His entry, It's a Me, Stegio, is absolutely adorable. I also kind of get freaked out by seeing Steg with, you know, hands and feet, which is a little bit weird, but still, it's an amazing entry, extremely well made, and very creative. So congratulations, Jan. You've won 2 prizes now. Well, two places, but a lot of prizes. So you have a whole arsenal of prizes now at your disposal. And in first place for the Lights, Camera, Steg Challenge, with an immensely detailed entry and a score of 8.6 out of 10, congratulations to Ruth Faminu for the entry, Royal Steg. Ruth, when our judges opened up your entry, we all had to open up the Blender file because we could have sworn you just took a texture off the internet and applied it to Stag. But no, with further inspection, we found out that all of those textures, all those swirls and those intricate patterns were created and painted by hand by Ruth. So congratulations. It's an immensely detailed texture, and you definitely deserved first place here. And Ruth, you know what that means. You are also the winner of one of these beautiful golden stags. Look at how squishy they are. They're like little stress balls. It's great. All right, so now we're on to our third and final challenge of Simplicity September 2018, the good old Sphere Challenge. For those of you who don't know, we actually hosted this same challenge exactly 1 year ago. Well, not exactly 1 year ago, but last year in 2017, and we got a ton of entries and a big just like movement of people submitting entries to this in the Blender community, and I was really happy to see us get just about as many entries as we did last year, despite having 2 other challenges before this. So anyway, let's hop into third place. In third place with a score of 8.58 out of 10 is Umberto Gnocchi with this awesome entry. Umberto, let me just tell you, the quality of your materials here are astounding. They're such flawless materials, and you mix them so well with the colors as well. The fact that you have the main object being red and the background being that really bluish cyan color really helped to generate color contrast in your scene, and it looked really awesome. So congratulations, Umberto. In second place with a score of 9 flat out of 10, and also sweeping away the entire Twitter Blender 3D audience. Once again, he did the same thing last year. Jim Morren, congratulations, Jim. You destroyed the competition last year, and you did the same thing this year with this beautiful Sphere Challenge. And here's his beautiful entry of the Earth just being absolutely obliterated. He actually posted a lot of the efforts that he went through creating this on Twitter. So if you guys want to check that out, go look at it. It's cool. Anyway, congratulations, Jim. You once again literally blew the competition to smithereens. That is all but one. Our first place winner for this challenge scored a whopping 9.33 out of 10, which is the highest score that we have given for the entirety of this challenge. So congratulations to Cody Winchester with his crazy, I don't even know what to call this. It's a tornado, but it's like stylized and stuff. It's so cool. Cody, let me just tell you, I looked through the Blender file for this and I was looking at all the modifiers you used. It's a wall, and I was just gawking, to be honest. I was so confused as to what was going on, and I'm left without words. This is an amazing entry. I don't know how you pulled this out of Sphere, but you did. So congratulations, Cody. You, my friend, will also be receiving your own golden stag. So there you have it. Those are the winners of the Simplicity September 2018 challenges. But wait, don't go away quite yet, because we still haven't announced the winners of the random drawings. For those who posted their entries on Twitter or Instagram with hashtag RGSimplicity2018, you were entered in a random drawing to be selected for an actual prize. We're giving away 4 copies of Atom Bomb Data Management, 3 copies of Blender Diplom's Point Density Magic Effects Pro, which is an awesome course, may I add, and also 3 copies of the Flip Fluids add-on to 10 randomly selected people that posted their entries with this hashtag. So let's start off with the people that won a copy of Atom Bomb Data Management. The first winner by random selection is at Carlos Nava. The second winner is at GoKugzoni. The third winner is at Paul Eva 706-22561. And the final winner of Atom Bomb Data Management is at Night Sound Games. So congratulations to you 4. You've all won a copy of Atom Bomb Data Management for free. Next up, we have the winners of Point Density Magical Effects Pro. The first winner is at Fluffy Rescent, so congratulations, at Nathan Duck 88, and also at, well, Dave with a bunch of ones mixed in. So congratulations to you 3. You've all won a free copy of Point Density Magical Effects Pro from Blender Diplom. And finally, the winners of the Flip Fluids add-on by random selection, which is actually probably one of the most anticipated prizes of this entire competition, are at Chubersick, at Matt's Lemons, and at Mixed Bananas with an 8. So congratulations to you 3 for winning a copy of Flip Fluids, and congratulations to the group of 10 of you as a whole for winning our random drawings. Now, I know a lot of you have just gotten to this point in the video without hearing your name announced, and it is a bummer. But there's still hope that you might have been an honorable mention, in which case your artwork will be engraved on the Remington Graphics website for the rest of eternity. I don't have them up there quite yet, but I will have them up there in the next week, so do check back and see if you were listed as an honorable mention. Also, if you guys are looking for another challenge to get involved in, CG Cookie is hosting their own challenge right now, of which I am one of the judges, and it's a pumpkin carving contest. So the deadline is October 31st, 2018. Your goal is to just carve a pumpkin. There's a ton more rules over on the website. I'll leave a link down in the description so you guys can find it. Definitely go participate. Lots of awesome prizes there, and it requires a little bit more creativity than my challenge does, I like to think. So once again, thank you all for participating this year. I wish you the best of luck in all of your CG careers. Trust me, seeing all of these entries showed me that there's so much potential in the people that watch my channel, so that was really inspiring to see. Anyway, thank you all for participating. Congratulations to the winners, and hopefully I'll see you guys around next year for Simplicity September 2019. So now I just have a little message for those of you who won. So first off, congratulations. I am going to be sending out an email later today, meaning later today after this video is posted. So definitely be checking your inboxes. I'll be asking you for just a little bit more information so I can, like, get a shipping address for your golden stegs. Or, I mean, if you don't want a golden steg, I guess I can hang on to it. But trust me, you want one of these. They're so fun. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? So yeah, make sure you are checking your emails. And if you haven't received anything by sometime tomorrow morning, meaning like, I don't know, October 16th at 8 a.m. Central Standard Time, probably means something's up. Make sure you check your spam folder, but if you really didn't receive anything and you know you were supposed to, shoot me an email. Grant@remingtongraphics.net is my email, and I'll see if I can get things sorted out.